In this quick tutorial, I will show you step by step on how to source for items by location on OfferUp shopping app. So let's get started. But before we dive into the tutorial, as you know, my name is Rafi. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure link on 1688 Tower or Pindodo or Hydrofish, or you want me to pay your Chinese supplier, or you want me to coach you step by step on how you can be able to consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more information business tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started.
Welcome back, friends. So let's see how to source for an item by location on OfferUp. Alright, so the very first thing you need to do is to open up your browser. So I'm going to click on my Chrome browser right here. Then having opened up my Chrome browser, you have to come to the address bar right here and make sure you type in OfferUp.com, OfferUp.com, then click on search. Alright, so in some cases, if you have something like this, it simply means that you are not in United States or in Canada, and as a result, you will not be able to have access to this particular shopping site. So what you need to do is to simply exit from the browser right here. Then, so what you need to do now is to head over to Play Store. Then from your Play Store right here, simply type in Express VPN. Then click on search. So what you need to do next is to simply click on install. Make sure you download and install the Express VPN on your phone. After a successful download and install Express VPN from your phone, so the next thing you need to do is to simply exit from your Play Store and head over to your phone screen. So we have to look for the VPN on our phone screen. So here we go. So this is the Express VPN. Next thing I'm going to do is to simply click on the VPN and it load up. Next thing I need to do is to simply come to the top right here, make sure I switch from my current location to United States. So I'll have to make sure I click on United States. The next thing I need to do is to simply click on connect. So United States has been connected. After a successful connect, next thing I need to do is to exit from here. Then we have to head over back to our Chrome browser. This time around, we have to create another tab. So I'll come to the top here and create a new tab. So having created a new tab, next thing I need to do is to simply re-enter the address right here. Then OfferUp.com and click on search. So right now we have access to the shopping site. Now a brief overview about people that doesn't know much about OfferUp. OfferUp is a local shopping app in America that allow buyer and seller to interact for mostly fairly used items. So in a situation whereby seller have some things to dispose as a fairly used, they can upload it on the site, and the buyer also can come to the site and get the item at a very cheaper rate. So it can come from any location. But as far as this tutorial is concerned, I want to teach you how to source for an item by location using this particular OfferUp. Alright, so the next thing we want to do now is to search for an item. So let's, for instance, we want to search for an iPhone. We have to type in iPhone right here now. iPhone. Then we click on search. Alright, so this is our result for iPhone. So if you take a look at all this picture here, you'll see that some of the phone here, they are fairly useful. Like for instance, take a look at this one right here. It uploaded with charger. So if I click on it, then it load up into the page whereby we'll be able to read detail about the product. So right here, this phone here is iPhone 11 Metro only. The listed price here is 380 USD, and the condition of the phone is used normal wear. Okay, so we can simply scroll down and read detail about the phone. So the phone is 4G plus Bluetooth, GPS, Lightning, LTE, Wi-Fi black color. Okay, so we can simply scroll down and see detail about the product. You can click on see more, so you'll be able to read every damn thing about the phone. Okay, now the location of this item here can be seen in the map right here. So this is where the seller is located. So if you want to go and pick up from the seller store or from the seller house, you can simply locate that particular address. Okay, so you can read detail about the seller. So the seller here, this is the seller store name, and they joined the site in 2024. So let's quickly go back to the main search result on the site. Okay, so now we want to filter the search results by location. That is main purpose of this tutorial. Then for us to do that, we simply click on here. Then we have it this way. Okay, now right here we have local plus shipping to be a default, local or shipping. So what this simply means is that if you want it local, it simply means that you are in that particular geographical location and you want the item to be from that within area. So in a situation whereby you just want to walk into the seller store or their house to pick up your item, that is for local. Why the shipping here is that the situation whereby you are in Texas and you want the item to be delivered to you in New York or New Jersey or Florida, etc. So that is for shipping. Okay, but for me, I'll put everything in local plus shipping so that both local and the shipping result can be filtered. So next thing I need to do is to simply click on here to change my zip code. So right here, I need items in the city of Florida. So what I need to do now is to make sure I create a new tab because I need a zip code from Florida. So I'm going to click on here to open a new tab. Then I will type in zip code for Florida. Let's check it out. So here's zip code for Florida. So we can simply copy one of the code right here. Then I will just copy. Then I have to go back to the site right here. Then I will make sure I delete this. I'll click and hold down. I'll paste my Florida zip code. Then I'll click on apply. Then I'll simply click on see listing. So these are all listings for Florida. Okay, if you want to change your state, you can simply click on here and click on here. Let's, for instance, we want item from New York City. So we have to go back to Google. Then we have to go back to zip code for and say New York City zip code. So we can use any one of them right here. So I'm going to use the first one, 1001. So we'll go back here, then I'll type in 1001. Okay, then we click on search. So we are now in New York. Then I'll click on see listing. So all the results right here are items listed within the New York City. So for us to confirm, we simply click on one of the items. So I'm going to click on this iPhone here. So you can see posted about 2 hours ago, Great Neck, New York. The condition is used, then normal. So we can simply scroll down and see more detail about the seller. So the seller was on this site since 2015, so almost 9 years ago. So you can simply scroll down and read detail about the store. Okay, then you can swipe here and check more picture about the phone. Okay, so it's as simple as that. So this is how to basically source for an item on OfferUp, American shopping site. If you want to really make an offer or you want to ask for a price reduction of the particular item, what you need to do is to simply click on make offer or click on ask. Then you can start conversation with the seller. It's as simple as that. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more tutorial about importation business. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.